Right now, inside your body, there's an entire universe you can't see. A bustling metropolis of trillions of living organisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses that shape your health, your mood, even the way you think. This hidden world is called the microbiome, and trust me, without it, you wouldn't survive. In today's video, we're going to explore this invisible life inside us. What the microbiome really is, how it controls everything from digestion to mental health, and most importantly, how you can take care of it to feel better, live longer, and thrive. Life isn't just yours, it's everywhere, it's everything, and we're here to explore it all. Be curious and stay curious. So, let's start simple. What is the microbiome? Think of it as a second brain, or even a hidden organ made up of trillions of microbes. They live on your skin, in your mouth, in your lungs, and especially in your gut. Here's the crazy part. These microbes outnumber your human cells by at least 10 to 1. And their combined genes, at least 100 times more than your human DNA. In other words, you are more microbe than human. Different parts of your body host different microbial communities. The gut microbiome, the superstar, influencing digestion and immunity. The skin microbiome, your first line of defense against invaders. The oral microbiome, keeping your teeth and gums healthy and linked to heart health. The vaginal microbiome, protecting reproductive health together. These tiny organisms keep you alive, balanced, and functioning. Now, why does this matter so much? Because your microbiome isn't just sitting there. It's working nonstop for you. First, digestion. Microbes break down complex carbs, fibers, and proteins. They produce short-chain fatty acids, tiny molecules that reduce inflammation and fuel your colon cells. Second, your immune system. From the moment you're born, microbes train your immune cells to know the difference between friend and foe. Without them, your immune system would attack everything in sight. Third, the gut-brain axis. Did you know that 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in your gut? Your microbes make neurotransmitters that talk directly to your brain through the vagus nerve. Anxiety, depression, even memory, your gut is involved. Fourth, weight and metabolism. Your microbiome decides how efficiently you absorb calories, store fat, and regulate blood sugar. In fact, scientists have transferred microbes from obese mice into lean mice, and the lean ones got fat. Fifth, protection from pathogens. Good microbes crowd out bad ones when balance is lost. Like after antibiotics, harmful bugs like C. difficile can take over and cause serious illness. And finally, chronic disease, dysbiosis, or imbalance in the microbiome is linked to diabetes, autoimmune disease, heart disease, even cancer. Our microbiome isn't static. It changes as we grow. At birth, if you're delivered vaginally, you get microbes from your mother. If you're born by C-section, you start life with different microbes from her skin. Breastfeeding feeds good bacteria like bifidobacteria. In childhood, playing outside, interacting with pets, and eating different foods builds diversity. In adulthood, your microbiome stabilizes, but diet, stress, and lifestyle keep shaping it. And in old age, diversity often declines, which is linked to frailty and disease. So, from cradle to grave, microbes walk with us. Now here's the big question. What determines whether your microbiome helps or harms you? Number 1, diet. Fiber-rich foods like beans, veggies, fruits feed your microbes. Fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, introduce healthy probiotics. But the Western diet, loaded with sugar, processed junk, and artificial ingredients, kills diversity. Number 2, antibiotics. These drugs save lives, but they also wipe out good bacteria. Recovery can take months or never fully happen. Number 3, stress and sleep. Stress hormones alter gut bacteria, and poor sleep throws them off balance. Number 4, environment. Urban living, pollution, and lack of nature reduce exposure to microbes. Spending time outdoors can help rewild your microbiome. Scientists are only scratching the surface, but the future looks amazing. Personalized medicine. Imagine a doctor testing your microbiome to design the perfect diet or treatment. Microbiome therapies, probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics will be tailored to your needs. Fecal transplants sounds gross, but they already save lives by curing recurrent C. difficile infections. Designer microbes, engineered bacteria may one day treat obesity, cancer, or even mental illness. The possibilities are endless. All right, so what can you do today to support your invisible inner world? Here are 7 simple habits. 1. Eat a diverse, plant-rich diet. Fiber is food for your microbes. 2. Add fermented foods daily. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. 3. Cut back on processed junk and added sugar. 4. Only use antibiotics when absolutely necessary. 5. Spend more time outdoors, in nature, with pets, in gardens. 6. Reduce stress through meditation, yoga, or exercise. 7. Sleep well. Your microbes love a steady rhythm. These habits may sound simple, but they have a massive impact. The microbiome is the invisible life inside us. It's not separate from who we are. It is who we are. When you take care of it, it takes care of you. So the next time you eat, sleep, or step outside, remember, you're not just feeding yourself. You're feeding trillions of tiny allies that want you to thrive. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into health and science. And let me ask you, what's one thing you're going to start doing today to improve your gut health? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your strategies. Thanks for watching. Be curious, stay curious,